For sale, industrial automated large diameter sawmill. Located in Melton, Victoria, and offered at $50,000 AUD, X-Work, professionally disassembled and packed into a 20-foot container. Unlock high-value timber production. If you're currently looking to process massive salvage logs or plantation timber that standard mills simply can't handle, then this may be exactly what you're after. Situated in Melton, Vic, this robust automated sawmill is now available as we clear our site for development. Importantly, this is not a hobby mill. Rather, it is a proven industrial workhorse that has been in continuous operation for 3 years, successfully processing and squaring timber for international export containers. So, let's take a closer look at the key specifications and features. First, massive capacity. This sawmill is engineered to handle logs of up to 1.5 meters in diameter, making it ideal for large-scale plantation and salvage timber. In addition, it offers precision automation. By setting the desired thickness directly on the digital control board, the operator eliminates manual guesswork, and the mill executes each cut accurately and efficiently, saving both time and labor. Furthermore, this machine is built specifically for Australian conditions. Custom engineered and manufactured in Vietnam, it was designed to handle the density and scale of Australian plantation and salvage logs. And most importantly, it comes with proven reliability. With 3 years of operation, it has an established track record of producing export-quality timber. Now, let's talk about pricing and logistics. The asking price is $50,000 AUD. This price includes the sawmill being professionally disassembled and packed into a 20-foot container, ready for transport directly from our Melton site, X-Work. To ensure a smooth setup and fast startup, expert support is also available. For an additional fee, the seller can provide on-site assembly at your location, a full test run and calibration, and comprehensive operator training for your team. If you'd like to see the mill in action, you can watch it processing large-scale timber via the YouTube link provided. So, why buy this mill? New industrial mills with this diameter capacity often cost significantly more and come with long lead times. This machine, however, is already in Victoria, has been tested through 3 years of local operation, and is ready to be deployed to its next project immediately. Serious inquiries only. To arrange an inspection or discuss technical specifications, please contact Ted Quan Nguyen. Mobile 0422-287-414. Email info@ecomindfultimber.com. Or simply reply to this listing.